Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are in the middle of the month right now, Wednesday 17 January, and it's been a while. We haven't done anything in crypto since October, November, December, which were probably one of the best months in recent times. And at least for now, ICP still has an issue. Yesterday I showed you that ICP had this little bit of triangle, and that triangle has been lost to the downside. I kind of think that if you're not going to be pushing down to $10.3, we may actually see this push back up here to maybe 13.2 just for a short term, and to retest this trend line that has been lost, right? So you just pump back up for that trend line and then finally get rejected and drop to the downside. But who knows, we may actually see things going a little bit lower. I want to give a quick analysis on Bitcoin as well, because I really like to show you what Bitcoin does. Yesterday I talked in detail. You can watch the Bitcoin update on the channel, that Bitcoin, it has this one support, actually whatever, this is just support line, and then you broke down, you went up, right? Some people may say that the trend line looks like this, right, and you haven't lost it. And I say the trend line is probably like this, and this was all a conversation about the body and the wicks. So you have the wicks touching the trend line, you have the wicks touching the trend line, and the body closing above the trend line. But this is for the first time that the body closed below the trend line, if you notice that. So for me, that is a perfect ascending broadening wedge here, broke to the downside, retest, getting rejection, and you're looking for 40,000. Another thing is that Bitcoin, BTC1, if I show you the CME gap, you have Bitcoin that has this gap. Do you see the gap right there? That right over here, right over there. Do you see that, right? So this is nearly $39,470. So it really makes a lot of sense to drop down to 39,400, and that's also a technical target of this ascending broadening wedge. This is a negative chart pattern. So if that happens, what's going to happen to ICP as well, right? So we could be looking at ICP also dropping down probably to that 10, which is also another technical target of the triangle, because when you break below the triangle, you go to where the triangle started. And that's it for the quick update on ICP, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.